Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but shispa % ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiway pandep kapmania fila pan call haki niki number
Urakam isang ma balong umentri ka Sorkar Jilla ubakmi yakatrat puli puthi kulai thu baka office Jaka State University ka trekam na Shillong handrena ka banta ka office trekam bapura ka Sorkar kadang wad Jaka Habakren shikla pathai kubor urakam ulai thu bakatrat puli puthi kala tho shakatrat penroi sir ban ai Jaka bat ka jingthmu jong ka Sorkar kalong ban pendan kam ya ka bijni complex halai khra handrei ki bor penya jong ka school ba ni hu kala ra ban ya ka ni ka kam shaka yeng bishar high court da ka bakap trai ya ka bijni complex baka de kanong kanti jong ka ni hu bat ha ka jo ka por ka Sorkar Jilla ka kam trai ya ka ni ka Jaka
office is functioning right. Office is functioning from the DRTNX in Shillong, but however for the complete office we are looking for the space. No, yeah. If you have the land, if you have the building, you can make it. So that's the issue, and we were planning to.
In Shillong?
Yes, no. That's we have already written to the Urban Affairs Department to allocate the land for us. New Shillong or anywhere, but however for temporary courses we were supposed to use a Disney complex, but Nehu has taken up the matter with the High Court, saying challenging the ownership status of the Disney complex. So let the court decide the matter first. So Nehu also claiming that this is belong to the Nehu, and the state government also be saying so. I don't have a detailed record with me, so maybe Nehu has challenged the ownership of the Disney complex. So let the court decide now. We are exploring now. We are finding the location now from where we can start the temporary campus for the Shillong.